So hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Gupta, and as I have submitted the last contest, virtual contest which I have submitted, so I am unable to do the last problem, that is hard problem. So now I have done that problem. I am taking the solution and tried to code it in my way. So this is the code. So what we are earlier doing, if you go through my previous video, is that we are checking the we are doing through backtracking approach, but I think the most of the people have done through the bit masking. So in bit masking, what we have done is, suppose there are n persons and these n persons are denoted like this way. So if there is 0 0 0, 0 represents it is a bad person, or 1 represents it's a good person. So the question description, you can go through the question. It is 2151 from LeetCode, and it is from the contest 277, right? So we are getting all the values from 0 to 2 to power n minus 1. So that means that we are getting all the solutions, and we are validating whether it is a good person or a bad person. Here a good person means whatever he told, it is the truth, but a bad person can tell truth, can be false. So we can't decide on this man because it is not sure whether he is telling lie or not. But for a good person, it is always saying the truth. So we are using that fact. So let's go to the code. We are taking the answers initially 0. 0 here means there is no any good person, and we have to print, we have to return the maximum possible good person. So we are taking the size n from matrix size, and then we are going from 0 means 0 0 0 this up to n to 2 to power n. Here it is 2 to power n, and it is not equal, so 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so we are getting all the values in mask, name mask. Then we are taking that whether this mark is valid or not. So if it is valid, then we will get if it is valid, then we will try to get how many persons good persons we have. So this person is just count the number of set bits in that number, and we will take the maximum because we want the maximum value. So what we are doing is that we are taking a loop from I 0 to n. Similarly for j, so there are 2 persons, and we are here also checking that in mask the I person should be a good person, and from in j loop we are also checking that whether j person is a good person or bad person. So if it is a good person, here we are using the arrow, we are using the operator. So if this and this operator is 1, so it comes here. This means both are a good person according to the mask. So if it 2, we can't decide, but if it is 0, but here we have taken that j is also good person, so it is a contradiction, so it is not possible, so we are returning false. Similarly, if j person is a bad person, and if I tells that about j is a good person, means I is telling the I is not telling the truth, but we have told that I is a good person, so it is not possible. So we are also taking the false statement. And in outer loop, if there is no any case, means if it is possible, then we are checking whether it is answer, we will get an answer. Similarly we are returning, and then we will submit. So this is the problem. It is a easier problem. So let's talk about the complexity. So here we are making 2 to the power n values, and then we are also taking a 2 loop. So it is 2 to the power n. So if I write the complexity, so it will be 2 to the power n into n into n, means n square, right? So this is the complexity. So thank you. I will upload another video, another virtual mode of something LeetCode or Codeforces. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.